Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
It was a beautiful sunny day in the city of Medina. The wind was blowing gently. As Prophet Muhammad and his friends walked down the street, they were on their way to their friend's house for lunch. As they turned a corner, they saw some children playing in the street. The Prophet came closer and spotted his grandson Imam Hasan and his friends. The Prophet smiled brightly at all the children and lovingly said, "Salamun alaykum." All the children were so excited to see the Prophet. They started laughing and replied, "Wa alaykum salam." As the Prophet came closer to them, they started giggling and running away. They wanted to play tag with the Prophet. The Prophet tried to catch them all. He ran towards Imam Hassan with his arms wide open, trying to catch him too. Imam Hassan started laughing and ran away. The Prophet quickly chased after him. So Imam Hassan hid behind a tall palm tree. Again, the Prophet tried to catch him. Again, Imam Hassan ran away laughing. This time, he hid behind a wall. As the Prophet's friends watched the two of them playing, they also started laughing and cheering. The Prophet finally caught Imam Hassan and showered him with hugs and kisses. The Prophet then turned to his friends and said, "Hassan is very special to me. Allah loves Hassan, so we should love Hassan too." The Prophet then put Imam Hassan on his shoulders and took him along to his friend's house. The Prophet loved Imam Hassan very much and taught all the Muslims that we should love him too.